Hey friends, if you cannot rename folders in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing about renaming folders. Folders are a subset of File Explorer, and File Explorer is a subset of itself. So, here's what you have to do: search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Let all the processes load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. This will restart, the screen will flicker for a while and then everything will restart and you will be able to rename. But if it doesn't help, then maybe there is an issue with broken or corrupt files on the system. So an SFC scan can be helpful. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and okay, I'll show you once again. Command prompt and then select run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Next one is system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Now click on open system restore. Click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next and then click on finish and click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Next one is clean boot. How would you perform a clean boot on your system? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, and then on OK, and then finally restart the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.